Hey there, readers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting lineup for you, 5 incredible books that can pave your way to riches. Now, I'm not just talking about financial wealth, but also enriching your mind and outlook on life. So, let's dive right in. Book 1, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. First up, we have a classic that needs no introduction, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Published in 1937, this masterpiece has inspired countless success stories. Napoleon Hill, a renowned author and motivational speaker, spent 2 decades studying the world's most successful individuals to compile the principles of success. Interesting things from the book. The book outlines 13 powerful principles, including desire, faith, specialized knowledge, and persistence. Hill emphasizes the importance of having a burning desire for your goals, backed by unwavering faith. He delves into the concept of the mastermind, surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who support and challenge you to achieve greatness. Lessons from the book. One key lesson from Think and Grow Rich is the significance of mindset in achieving success. Hill believed that thoughts could turn into reality, and by focusing on your goals, you can attract opportunities and wealth. The book helps you cultivate a positive mindset and empowers you to take control of your destiny. As Napoleon Hill famously said, "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." Book 2, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Next on our list is a timeless classic, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason, first published in 1926. This book takes us back to ancient Babylon and imparts financial wisdom through captivating parables. Interesting things from the book. Set in ancient times, the book revolves around characters like Arkad, the richest man in Babylon, who shares his secrets of wealth. The story covers essential financial principles, such as saving a portion of your income, investing wisely, and living within your means. Lessons from the book. One of the key takeaways from this book is the 7 cures for a lean purse. These cures include understanding the value of money, controlling expenditures, making your money work for you, and seeking advice from wise individuals. The Richest Man in Babylon teaches us timeless financial principles that are applicable even in today's world. As George S. Clason beautifully puts it, our acts can be no wiser than our thoughts. Book 3, The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. Now, here's a game changer in the modern world of entrepreneurship, The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. This book, published in 2007, challenges the traditional 9-to-5 work paradigm and introduces the concept of lifestyle design. Interesting things from the book. Timothy Ferriss, a successful entrepreneur and life hacker, presents a step-by-step approach to create a life of freedom and financial abundance. He introduces the concept of mini-retirements, where you enjoy life now instead of waiting for retirement. Ferriss also emphasizes the importance of outsourcing tasks to focus on high-impact activities. Lessons from the book. A major lesson from the 4-Hour Workweek is to question the status quo and design a life that aligns with your passions and goals. Ferriss encourages readers to think beyond the traditional career path and embrace entrepreneurship. The book offers practical tips on building an automated income stream and achieving a work-life balance. Timothy Ferriss reminds us, focus on being productive instead of busy. Book 4, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. No list on financial wisdom would be complete without mentioning Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. This bestseller, published in 1997, challenges conventional beliefs about money and investing. Interesting things from the book. Robert Kiyosaki shares the story of his 2 fathers, his biological father, Poor Dad, and the father of his best friend, Rich Dad. The book contrasts the financial philosophies of the 2 men, offering valuable insights into the mindset of the rich and successful. Lessons from the book. Rich Dad, Poor Dad stresses the importance of financial education and learning to make money work for you. Kiyosaki advocates for investing in assets that generate passive income, such as real estate and businesses. He believes in taking calculated risks and using them as learning opportunities. As Robert Kiyosaki wisely said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." Book 5, The Millionaire Next Door, by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Last but not least, we have The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Published in 1996, this eye-opening book debunks common myths about millionaires. Interesting things from the book. Stanley and Danko conducted extensive research to reveal the characteristics of millionaires in America. Surprisingly, they found that many millionaires lead modest lives, live below their means, and prioritize financial independence over displaying wealth. Lessons from the book. One of the main lessons from The Millionaire Next Door is the importance of frugality and disciplined saving. The book highlights the value of hard work, financial planning, and investing for the long term. It teaches us that true wealth comes from financial responsibility and smart decision-making. Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko remind us, the foundation stone of wealth accumulation is defense, and this defense should be anchored by budgeting and planning. And there you have it. 5 phenomenal books that can set you on the path to financial success and personal growth. Each of these books offers unique insights and valuable lessons that can transform your mindset and approach to money. So make sure to check them out and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing content. Until next time, stay inspired and keep growing. Bye!